Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for tuning in. My name is Cari and welcome. In today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing of two Hermés Twilly, and I have a big news and had to do with this twirly that you're probably gonna be very surprised or maybe not. And I'm just gonna do the unboxing. I got this twirly yesterday, November 21st 2021. I just really was waiting to keep this for my Christmas because it's like a little Christmas gift that I did to myself, and I was waiting to unbox it maybe in Christmas or something. But I had to come here because I had to give you this news, and I really hope I can put this video out as soon as possible. And I'm gonna start unboxing Friday Twilly. I have here, I have two of them, and I have here the receipt, and this is, let me see, I probably gonna put down here, I don't gonna say it because I'm bad with the, I won't be able to pronounce the word right, but I definitely gonna leave right here the name of the Twilly, probably in the description box down below too. So we're gonna start with the first one, and bear with me, I'm gonna give you the big news. I don't want to make this video too long, so I can put it up as soon as possible, like I said before. Okay, we have these two little cutie right here, okay, and we're gonna start with this first one. I also gonna show you how I'm gonna use the twirly. I'm gonna use in different way, but I'm gonna show you how cute it look. I'm gonna display or gonna put it on my nice mini handle, and you guys can see it. So for kind of like an ice candy, okay. So I have right here one. This look very pretty. So it's this one right here. It look very pretty. Look at this color. It's more for the summer, I guess. It has some orange too. This is so pretty. It has some gray. I love the design. This new design that come out with all these feathers, it just is stunning. Stay tuned because I have two more later on. So it say Hermès Paris right here, and this is the sticker. You probably won't be able to see it, but so this is one. Let me put it back. Yeah, it's so pretty. I actually wasn't expecting to buy any twirly right now, but I stopped yesterday at the mall. I went to check some Chanel's items, but they didn't have much. They're still waiting for some stuff. And I decided, when we walked by the Hermès store, it was empty, nobody online or nothing. And I decided to go in and get one twirly, but then I got the news. So this is the second one. It's the same style of the other one, but more colorful. I really want to get another one like more dark colors, but this is so pretty. I got this colorful one because I think they can dress up a lot of stuff for summer. So pretty. Just for the eyes is so amazing. This is so pretty. And something that I learned sometimes, when you see the twirly right there, it just don't look right, but when you actually see somebody else, I see say in the store she have a wrapper like this, and it looks so pretty, and it was in black and green. And yeah, when you use it and put it in some items in your hand, so accessorized very nice. It look very pretty. So don't just go by what you see in the way you see the Twilly in display in the tray, because they actually can look very nice when you use it. Okay, so this is what I found out. I decided to go in the store and just get myself one Twilly, right? Because I already have an appointment at that same moment, almost like 5 minutes later, 10 minutes later, to the in Louis Vuitton store, which was cross of the hallway or wherever from Hermés, they one in front of the other one. So I'm like, okay, it's nobody in the line. They get me very quick. I can just pick one Twilly and that's it. So I did that, and they got me my CA was very busy, so she let me her manager take care of me very quick, because I'm supposed to get one Twilly. So we pick a Twilly, and when we was about to pay, she told us that, oh, we was lucky because on Friday is gonna be a price increase on the Twilly. Yes, just like you guys hearing right now, it's gonna be a price increase in Hermés Twilly. And right now it's gonna be from 180 to 195, which is to expect because all the other brands is going up like crazy. I just realized that Chanel put the Twilly to 300, which it used to be like 200 or something like that. Then they put it up at 250, and now it's 300. So Louis Vuitton keep putting the Bandeo to increase in price. So it was about time that Hermès put it up. Okay, so I just letting you know, guys, if you're interested in get any Twilly anytime soon, so this is the time to do it soon as possible from online website or from the boutique. Connect with your CAs and try to get your hands in a few of them, or one, or whatever you can, because they're gonna have $15 price increase. Okay, so I hope this helped you guys. Christmas is approaching, and this make a very nice Christmas gift for a very good price. And if you know somebody that are Hermès Twilly lover, this is a perfect gift, and they can use it multiple ways. So I think this is amazing gift idea too. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, leave a comment down below what you think about this Twilly in Hermès price increase. Is something that you was expecting, or is something that is a surprise for you, or you looking in getting one for yourself? Thank you very much for watching, and remember to smile because you are beautiful. Bye, and see you in my next video.